So for Learning Target 6.1 on the Unit 6 test, it's talking primarily about tangents, as you can see in the name of the learning target. Now, one thing I know about tangents is that if two tangents meet at a point outside the circle, then these two segments are congruent to each other. So if the distance from A to T is 5, the distance from A to N is also 5 centimeters. That then makes this an isosceles triangle. So this angle is congruent to this angle. They want to find the measure of angle. They tell me that the measure of angle ATN, this is 72 degrees, and they want me to find A. So the work I need to show here is to find A, I'm going to take 180 degrees for the entire triangle and subtract out 72 twice, or 2 times 72 if I want to show my work this way. I could also put minus 72 and then minus 72 again. So A is 36 degrees. Now they tell me again that in this case ray TA and ray TG are tangents, and they want me to find the measure of angle T. Well, the first thing I need to do is to find the measure of this arc, which is the same thing as this angle, because it's a central angle. So x, if I labeled it that, whatever you labeled it, is 360 degrees, which is the entire circle, minus the 220 degrees of this major arc. So x is 140 degrees. Now, then I look and I say, well, this thing is a quadrilateral from T to A, and this isn't going to be drawn very well, to N, to G, and back to T again. Not a good drawing, but it's a quadrilateral, so I know that the sum of those angle measures is 360 degrees. So to find the measure of angle T, again, notice I'm labeling what I'm finding. It's the 360 degrees in the entire quadrilateral minus the 140 degree angle I just found, and then because these are tangents, they're right angles, so minus the two 90 degree angles ends up finding the measure of angle T is 40 degrees. Don't forget your labels.